Congress, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC held a silent protest on Wednesday at Congress Bhavan in Shillong to condemn the conviction and disqualification of their leader Rahul Gandhi as Member of Parliament. The protest was led by MPCC Chief Vincent H. Pala. During the meeting, the party also discussed about ways to strengthen the party ahead of Lok Sabha polls next year.
We are very confident of retaining the Shillong seat. We have our MP here, Honorable President, who is also DMP. We are very 100% sure that we will retain the seat, because I think you look at the other two states election, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka, where the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the President of the BJP spent weeks, months to campaign, but they were defeated because we cannot take, the voice of the people for granted. We cannot take the people for granted. So we are very certain that even in the country